has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Laurel County, Owsley County, southern Estill County, northeastern Pulaski County, Jackson County, Rockcastle County, Lee County, northwestern Clay County, until 1 a.m. At 12:20 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles west of Richmond to near Liberty, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include London, Irvine, Mount Vernon, Beattyville, McKee, Boonville, Boone, Ravenna, Turin, Denaro, Travelers Rest, and Bummer. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1 a.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Laurel, Pulaski, and Rockcastle.